Hi everyone, I have drawn this pattern from cloud and now I'm going to make it a pattern. So I'm sizing it and now I'm going to select the layer and duplicate the layer. Now my layer is duplicated. I'm going to flip it horizontal and join it together. Join it carefully. Now you're going to duplicate it. Before duplicating, just group these two layers together and select new group. Now duplicate this new group and select new group, and then you will get this options by selecting tool and flip it vertical. And now I am applying this pattern in my design.